The next speaker is the Honorable Mashabela.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. As much as we are not opposed to development in the region and the continent through projects like Grand Inga hydropower, we have serious reservations and concern about the political manipulation of the project itself for the enrichment of friends and families. We believe that the project is South Africa and the region's solution to energy poverty, which are currently faced with. It is said that the project itself has the potential to generate 40,000 megawatts, which is sufficient to power half of Africa. We also think that the industrialization of Africa is the way to go in fast-tracking development on the continent. But, Honorable Chair, our greatest concern is that this project, like many others that we have seen recently, are used as vehicles for corruption by politicians. Treaties and projects comes along with high risk of corruption deals and escalation of cost, which might not be affordable and sustainable. Corruption normally hides under the disguise of such massive projects for the enrichment of politicians and their families. We remember that it was largely reported by the media that President Zuma played a crucial role in 2010 decision by the DRC President Joseph Kabila to allocate 2 oil fields in the northeast of the country to his nephew. All fortunes in the region of 100 billion are owned by the president's nephew, Kolubusa Zuma, in the DRC, and that he was awarded oil licenses in sub-Saharan Africa to do business. The Nkandla gate of stealing 246 million of taxpayers' money by President Zuma's failure to pay for undue benefiting leaves much to be desired as to how much he will benefit as in arms steal in this treaty. The EFF is tired of funding Zuma, the thief, the criminal, who refused to pay a cent.
On a point of order, Chair. On a point of order, Chair.
Honorable Member Mashabela, will you just take your seat, please? Yes, Honorable Member.
And you ask the Honorable Member to withdraw that the President of this country is a thief.
Honorable Mashabela, will you withdraw the remark, please?
The President of the ANC is the greatest thief in the world.
Honorable Member.
I'm not going to withdraw.
Honorable
he is a
Member.
criminal. He is a thief.
Honorable Member.
Even South Africa knows
Honorable
very well
Member.
that their president is a thief.
Honorable Member.
I'm not going to withdraw.
If you are not
Zuma is a thief.
prepared to withdraw, then you
Zuma
must
is
leave
a
the
thief.
podium.
I'm not going to withdraw.
Honorable Member.
Zuma is a criminal.
Order, Honorable
Zuma
Member.
is
Point
a
of
thief. The world
Order, Honorable
knows
Member.
very well that the president
Honorable
of the
Member.
ANC is the greatest thief
Order, Honorable
in
Member.
the world.
Honorable
He is a
Member,
thief.
if you don't
He
want
is
to
a
withdraw,
criminal. Zuma
if you-
is a thief.
Honorable Member, if you don't want to withdraw, I'm asking you
I say
to leave
Zuma
the
is a
podium.
thief.
Honorable Member,
The people
I'm requesting
of
you
South
now
Africa know
for the
very well
last
that
time.
The president of the ANC is a
Honorable
thief.
Member.
He is the criminal. Zuma
Honorable
is a thief.
Member,
I'm not going to withdraw.
then you must leave
I'm
the
not
podium,
going
Honorable
to
Member,
withdraw.
and you must
No, I
leave.
must finish my speech
No,
first.
Honorable Member.
I'm not going to withdraw. Zuma
Chair,
is a thief.
Honorable
Zuma
Member.
is a criminal.
Honorable
He
Member,
is the
you must
greatest
leave
thief
the
in the
podium.
world.
Political debate.
Zuma is the thief.
Honorable Member,
Honorable Chair. I want to
Honorable
finish my
Member, you
speech.
are not going to be allowed to finish your speech.
But
You will
how-
leave the podium,
But I
and
can't
you
withdraw
are not
that.
withdrawing the remark. You are also going to
Chair,
leave the House.
Zuma is a thief. I can't withdraw. He is a criminal. He
Honorable,
is the greatest thief in the world.
Honorable
I can't
Member,
withdraw.
Chair, you cannot
I
stop me
now-
because you
I'm
don't
not
even
going to
know what I want to say.
Honorable Member.
Be recognized.
No, I'm not recognizing you, Honorable Member. I'm busy
Honorable
dealing
Chair,
with a matter in
may I
front of me.
continue?
But I
with my
want to be
speech.
recognized so that I will assist you, Chair.
I'm not recognizing you. I'm not recognizing you, Honorable
Chair,
Member.
it looks like you are showing
Honorable-
everyone who's
Honorable
taking
Member,
that seat there because
You are refusing to withdraw the remark, so I will ask you to leave the podium and to leave the House.
No, no, Honorable Chair, I'm not
If
going
you
to
are
leave.
not prepared to
Zuma is
leave
a
the
thief.
House,
On a
I
point
will
of
not
order, Chairperson.
if you
withdraw.
are not
Zuma is a
prepared to
thief.
leave
I'm
the
not going
House,
to withdraw.
On a point
then
of
I will
order,
call
Zuma is
upon the
greatest
Sergeant
thief
of
in the
Arms
world.
On a
to
Zuma is
relieve
a
you
thief.
from the podium.
Zuma
On a
is a
point of
thief.
order.
Can we get the Sergeant
South
at Arms
Africa knows
On a
very
point
well
of
that
order,
Zuma
Chairperson,
is a
assist
let us
us.
assist you
I'm
on
not
this
going to
matter.
withdraw. Allow me to finish my speech. Chair, allow me to finish my speech. Please allow me to finish my speech. Zuma is a thief. I'm not going to withdraw it. Zuma is the greatest thief in the world.
Honorable Member,
South
No, honourable
Africa
member.
knows very
Political
well that
debate.
their president is a thief.
honorable members,
I'm not going to withdraw.
I'm asking you, Honorable Mashabela, I'm naming you now, and I'm asking you that you must withdraw from the
Point
House.
of order,
no,
Chairperson.
Chair.
May I
Zuma
be
is a-
recognized?
No, there's a lot of you standing, Honorable Litchfield. I hope you will be able to, no, Honorable Member, I hope you will be able to assist us so that your Honorable Member can either withdraw or withdraw from the House.
I am assisting, Honorable Chair. A precedent was said. It was ruled before that we mustn't be personal. It's a political debate. The president is a thief. It's said in a political debate.
No, honorable members. No. Honorable members, I'm now going to request the Sergeant at Arms to relieve the honorable member from the House.
Order, Chairperson.
Why,
Can we
Chairperson?
assist you in this
But-
matter?
Point of
We
order.
are intervening to assist you, Chairperson.
Chair.
Is he saying Zuma is not a thief? Mr. Chair, can we assist you?
Chair. Chair. Order.
Oh, it can't be like
Chair, can you assist you?
No. But what must I do?
She must finish her speech.
Honorable Chairperson, want to assist you in
Chair, can you assist the chair?
Call the police again. That's what you do best.
She said the president's a thief and she must withdraw. She knows what she said. Honorable Member Mashabela, you've repeatedly on numerous occasions said that the president is a thief. And that is what
And
we're
he is a
asking you to withdraw.
Chair, I've stated that I'm not going to withdraw.
Honorable Sir,
He is the
Honorable
greatest
Member,
thief in the world.
Sergeant at Arms,
He is the greatest thief in the
can we
world.
assist the member to get out of the House, please?
Chair, we want to help. Chair, we want to help. This way, this way, this way. Don't touch it. Don't.
A point of order. A point of order.
They are not supposed to touch me.
They are not supposed to touch you.
They are not
Honorable members, order. Order, honorable members. While the Sergeant at Arms is dealing with the situation, we'll suspend proceedings for 5 minutes.
I don't want to be touched. 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 No, I'm not going to.
There are members, Honorable Steenhuisen, there are members taking pictures of your party. Can you delete that picture, please? Honorable member at the back, can you just, may I request you, Honorable Steenhuisen, just to talk to your member and have the picture deleted, please. Thank you. Stop it.
Point of order. Point of order. Point of order. Point of order. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Point of order. Point of order.
Tata
Point of order.
military state, Tata.
Point of order. 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 Get up. We won't have it. No. 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 Separation of powers. No. Out of the house. Take them out. No police in the house. No police in the house. Point of order.
You call the police in parliament. Shame on you.
Well done, well done.
Get out!
Get out!
Just hang on, guys. Just, on a point of order.
Order, honorable members. Will you take up your seats, please? Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. I recognize order. I recognize the Honorable Maimane.
Thank you, Chair. Sorry, my mic has stopped working.
Can you just switch on? Is the mic on?
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I think all of us in this place, at least if you believe in the constitution of this country, you'll know that in no world can police enter this chamber. You'll know that in no world.
No,
can you have the military.
order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members.
On a point of
Honorable
order.
Deputy
On a
Minister.
point of order, Chairperson.
Honorable Deputy Minister, will you just take your seat, please? There was a discussion outside of the chamber with the chief whip of the majority party. And there was agreement with a specific procedure to be followed. And I've recognized you. Get to the point, Honorable Maimane, so that we can
I'm wanting
proceed,
to
please.
propose that in the light of the events that have taken out tonight, that we suspend tonight's sitting and then reconvene.
Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, honorable members. Honorable Maimane.
I think consistent with the chief whip of the majority party, we all recognize what happened here tonight. I'm wanting to put to this House to appeal for calm and in fact suspend the sittings of tonight. You can take me on.
Order, honorable members.